density in solid state. Densities of p block elements generally increase down the group, as we know that the orbits, as we move down, orbits increases and atomic number also increases, orbits increases, so density increases down the group. In periodic table, and invariability decrease moving from left to right. Now the another one that is important part, that is oxidizing and reducing property of p block elements. Oxidation is a process in which the electrons are lost, and reduction is the process in which the electrons are gained. Oxidation is the process in which the electrons are lost, and reduction is the process in which the electrons are gained. Thus, an oxidizing agent is a substance that can take part in which reducing agent in which we can take the electron. Oxidizing agent is a substance which take the electron, whereas reducing agent is the substance which supplies the electron. The electron of low ionization energy will have greater tendency to lose electron than those of the higher ionization energy. So, ionization energy increase and oxidation potential of p block element decrease with rising atomic number. Ionization energy increase and oxidation potential of p block element decrease with rising atomic number. Oxidation potential of p block element decrease with the increase in the atomic number. The reducing property decrease from 13 group to group 17, and their oxidizing property increase in same order. Try to understand the situation that ionization energy increase, oxidation potential of p block element decrease with rising atomic number. As the atomic number increases, ionization or oxidation potential decreases. The reducing property decrease from 13 to 17. Reducing property decrease from 13 to 17, and their oxidizing property increase in the same manner. The third period, first element, that is sodium of group 1, is a strong reducing agent, and the last element, that is chlorine, is a strong oxidizing agent. 13, group 13, they act as the good reducing agents. Sodium act as a good reducing agent, and group 17, that is chlorine, act as a good oxidizing agent or strong oxidizing agent. The intermediate elements like silicon, phosphorus and sulfur, they have only intermediate character. In a group, when we are moving from top to bottom, ionization energy decrease on moving down the group. Why? Because as the atomic size increases, there is decrease in the ionization potential. The reducing character increases and oxidizing character decreases because they have less affinity towards the electron. Another character is electrophorese.